Ashefo the mama kwa baba FPNTV official so media any Patricia Odro wishia me from madam part my show so that the only part with R that is me. Hi Adekye3 Nsem and opede we dey about who me say ya ati me say nkwankwansa na ne ye ba bedi no ye de ye ni nkwankwansa ekwan na hu ye di nkwankwansa akwada hu na ye re so aya pa ba bi afa gane Enti uti enkano peya eye ensema egujaso utibi mia mensuso utibi eno ho ensem ena ye babeka enonti ubetumi afollow yen all the social media platforms eso na mechre yen Facebook Instagram YouTube ubetumi afollow yen ho nyina like comment na share efa email Igbo ken enho ensem senia se wonim se eha eye Adekye3 ensem na Adekye3 ensem nso de enioma esisi da no enu bi ena yede ebesomo meni aba madi Igbo ken ho ensem ebetuja Adekye3 ensem na sese no de ekwaso ne se Igbo ken de afutuo bi abema Ghanaian youth no. That is Igbo ken for you. What the afutuo bi abema Ghanaian youth na den or that kind of advice at the bread Ghanaian youth na men said na hinie no ho nsensem a yedi nkan abeka ho asem no Emma Ghana youth nso any brave actually said they are the future of the nation and also of the country into an hour sorry ma won dachi it why say yentna o mayimu emma wo mfiri wukrom emma emedi so emire bi si ma abrofo ba ne ye de besi ani ma ebia no and as at the end of the day no ye be slaves e de ma wo mo na erade adom na se ene yetumi ade ye ho a na won so wo firi Igbo aduru ha se wo ba bete wanini hia na ken yampene so kokrom okwa akodi wo hene e wo ho enti ye na mafutu a wode ma ye ne se enam se e ba sa no nsi o take actions on demonstrations se kwan bia so se omani mu mpanimfo ansore ankasa with the youth of the country be sorry near drive this man away to his country. And there was a little form of demonstration on Ghanaian youth and no one some the man Igbo king a day a futu eba and so ubeti me a comment or section or amayare osha and who and a man at the cancer because at the end of the day no him said definitely youth na sorry ne dear and from a makakra bed Edebono. Into what did they say out of fear and a man did this kind of advice at the battle and now say a year a futuan kasa and a free nimu at the Emma. Well, into a can say a year a mabuna more Ghana or best remo say mo come to me and my mom family for it. Just say any man here na emfa ho and so because at the end of the day wo kwaya obi de bakwa akoto ne platform so e de akwajiska na won so we prayer kwa on the other hand I think say it was a bit of sense e wa hade na so comment mine wo feel say out of fear and all the cancer and say the advice was coming out of him. Na ye yere so ebe kasai mi jedi say anya wonim ne yere no ho issues kakra na ne yere no afi na yenya no ho ayi mi ankasa krada na menya ni enya ne ho information bia but say we ye fancy owo ye maimu enti according to sources ni history ye di nkan ya beka wa ha ne de na che say Igbo man ne eya na oba ya che was started from the crash or ye niema gradually or shisha ne niema kakra waiting for the appointed time, and which is 2025. Anonti ne yere no eye Nana Adekye3 the first our young fantini wo krom fantofo na okasa Central region of Ghana oye empunso ehema ewo Central region na ne kasa mu no omaye hu se wa worry for 38 good years with 5 children. With 5 good children. And see, young had any Oshana, Mitzi and so 28 and wow. And see, say, Osha. Come on. Oh no, fanciful of you, Tim so watching so body. What I say, we no now. Opimwa utimu se oba pemme ati ase enti oba so no onie Nana Adekye3 the first na ode yentie ni nsem ibi
the doubts have been cleared.
Michiamu ina amashimu Ghana funina michiamu ina anapesis or from Nana Adekye3 the first. Me infantini ni February Central region. Me yempuntini wa ewo. Me koyin Igbo chief. Me yere him. Ya work for 28 years. Me wa mafama 5. Mafama 5 won yina so koyin. Ma oro kodo on social media.
The doubts have been cleared. You are now comfortable. Know how to respond to whatever that comes your way.
Oba odoni kunu one day obaya nden you bet me answer obe defend the side of the husband ebia me no me enukra na sa na ebeye wunyi kunu ma definitely you have to support or take side of the husband. Enti wosha wife of Igbo king in Ghana defends his husband against false claims on land issues. Enti o say efa ahini nsem ho efa ensase ho nsem a eye ni basa ni kunu Igbo kinships na enye nokre na ode beto eho ama obi ehu se de ekosu nyina nokre kete se grampo nim enonti oka ama ya ti asese yenka yakoma entu yeyem na okunu no from so bia ne den anyhow na yenhwe afutuo ya eye Igbo ken edema Ghanaian youth na me ba cho yentie.
I want to use the opportunity to tell the youth of Ghana, please don't allow yourself to be used by a mischief who is touching the emotions of the people for them to go into destruction over Nigerians' property. While you are, if at all you go in to do that, while you are doing that, he'll be taking the footage of what you are doing to put also in his platform. I'm making my money, and you are there to destroy. So please, the youth of Ghana, I plead with you people not to engage yourself in this kind of situation that somebody is provoking you to get into that.
So this is the advice of the Igbo king to Ghanaian youths. Don't allow yourself to be used by mischievous. And no, So we are Ghanaian youth. Now so what and can. This is the advice of the Igbo king to you. Ya wanna say na yere edit na what take the side of the husband no e die ben e na ebesie. Eye abrantie bi so ono so ye blogger nana ke efa eno so aba bonte abetutu bi ama me no. In fact, wono say nana hema ya mo apia afwa nkoso hema e da ase na nso so wo yere no anase wokunu na wono waso obedi ade no na wade na ancestors abegye ne ensase na obeto no ho eno anye bia no papa we a wo mu ade no on the second note bu a wo mu ade kwenti no kra no his presence is not accepted in this country. Waso wokunu wo mu ade wo mu hwehwehwehwehwehwehwe edie ntina o kase o mu ade BBC wati bibi wako witness bibi ana den potin na wo hu a enu nti a o kase Igbo king o mu ade ngoti e kakramra
ukunu o mu ade ukunu timi bie na no say Ghanaians are not cultured. Ghanaians are not cultured. This man doesn't respect Mr. Man, let me tell you, you are so disrespectful. You are so arrogant. You were not brought up well. You don't know how to talk. You don't even deserve to be called a king or a chief. You talk with your left hand, portray yourself as if you are on top of the world. Are you the only person who has got businesses? Do you know people who has got more businesses and is still humble? You've got nothing better for Ghanaians. Your ancestors that you were planning to name them on Ghanaian streets, they fought for a land, and that land is Igbo land. Go there, claim that land. Nsem phone ya so so ama papa we tie akonnwama what kasa anyhow wo nyantete obi etete wo fieri se wonim wachi anim omamere ne wamane ya enka wo mfiti emma metena obi kurom wonim a wanya sika wahu se Ghana yefo what do you say the old archaic Ghana is now hey Ghana mama ncho Ghana nyafo bi emu sa mpanimfo na omanya ade edi a omode edi tete kwasem no me ka kire Ghana mabunu obi akonya wo mfie sa akonya no to a memfa ma kokore da wo de be ma branch so a pa branch a na dwimu do a obepere abantiriba mpanimfo no so omunyini na omotena fie na obi ba nipa no ba ya na ne ho wo so de ense so oje kura na wo oje Ghana ahemfo a mo to mani mo nyam eye pa se we yesi se nyesa Ghana mabunu ne ne de behu na nka moto ye man no e de amaye bema wonya bema nje obi Ghana sebe ka kire mo se na nka
bema wonya bema nsi obi a Ghana ha she kukumbanku day kukumbanku boxes the day inside the country we are rough a mema wa town babu boma mama hu say yenso yawo emema wonya bema nsi obi a was say Ghanaians are not cultured. Ghanaians are not cultured. Hey, I see Igbo can say Ghanaians are not cultured, and that word and that's that phrase. Ghanaians are not cultured. I'll be kind, a sign of disrespecting, a sign of arrogance, a sign of onoankasa your uncultured itself. Enunti no senya Ghanaian youth ena e sorry ye Kenya won ho a nanka okwahihye nkofo bi funum na ye tigana he ya na ye ni beba ye ho so no na ya ton wo man no de ama ensi da ensi ne ensi china na ensi da bi so a ebeba. It's this sign of respectfulness is not going anywhere. Enunti no e we say ye peja no ye kwato no twene ba bi kra said ye be ya ye benya na sumutwie enunti na hema ye kan mayanka and take the side of your husband where the truth is. That is where you need to follow. And yes o ye wukunu nti na ye say oh ba no abekeke bia ma na Ghana for yenso ya agi atumaka say wo wabekasa ne de definitely it's not true. Ewa bra evidence are showing say Igbo wants to be king in Ghana. Adekye no edia ben ena esiye ya hu se ye nua ben ma bi nso edia beto se Ghana for yanka yakoma ento yeyem esan se Igbo ken ene ho nsase ene ho nsensem nyina o ma hwe aso ano yenhwe. You can't take us for granted. Some judge responds to the report of Igbo kingdom in Ghana. You can't take us for granted. That is some judge for you. Was it the fact say Muba ya jemu fell so nebi ameka say amaimu penimfo no mu binom. Anyway, free no doesn't mean say you can overstay your welcome. And none doesn't mean say ube to me. Abe fadi enya wodia. You have overstayed your welcome. So that is what Sam John said. He can't take us for granted. Well, you already know its name. Was it no king has any kingdom or land in the Negro Pram constituency and disregard any such claims? The ancient great Negro kingdom is welcoming to all who visit us, but none is welcome to lay claim to a kingdom here. Be rest assured, Ghanaians, we are a hospitable people, but our hospitality cannot be taken for granted. Let's calm prevail. Let's calm prevail. So that is what Sam George also brought to the media, or what he also brought out. But said the fact say we have welcomed you doesn't mean say ubetumi aye bibi alpe. And so therefore Ghanaians yanka yakuma ento yeyem na everything is already settled. Afe na wode wa fidie no ato ha FPNTV official eso eni na enye obia na beso mo se modofo Patricia ojo na nsama ye de beso mo ye Igbo ken ne yere eba obe defend ni kunu ene nanaba ke efa enso se obetutu bi ma no say the fact say eye ni kunu ni ntino obeteki the side of his husband. Ye ni de akeka ho ena ye de ebesom enti se odoma nkoma ekosoa emma ye nkwan die tami chuku na se bibi ehwiegu efa ohin ene ne nsemi ho a ai Patricia ye de beba abesom media ne Madam Pat Makra.
Please, don't allow yourself to be used by a mischief who is touching the emotions of the people for them to go into destruction